If you want to know how to achieve this perfect banana bread, stay tuned. Let's get right into this recipe. So to make our banana bread, I'm going to be using 3 very ripened banana, and I'll put them in a bowl and use my fork to mash it. Add in half a cup of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, and I'll go ahead and give this a nice whisk. If you have your electric whisk, you can also go ahead and use this. If you don't, just go ahead and use the manual one, like what you can see me doing here. Now go ahead and start adding your egg. We're using 2 eggs for this recipe, so you add 1, give it a whisk, go ahead, add the other 1 and give it a nice whisk. Add in 2 tablespoons of milk and go ahead and give it a whisk. And I'm going to be using some vanilla flavor, so I'll add in about a tablespoon of vanilla flavor. I'll go ahead and add in 2 cups of flour into my sieve, and I'm going to be sifting the flour. All the ingredients and measurements of ingredients used on this recipe will be on my comment section, and I'll also pin them on the description box. Now I'll add in a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and I'll go ahead and sift this into my light ingredient. I'll whisk it together and mix it into a nice batter. So for our banana bread, I'm going to be using some chocolate chips. I'll add in my chocolate chips and give it a nice whisk, and at this point my batter is ready. I'll just get in my baking pan, which I'm going to use in baking our banana bread. I'll grease the pan with some butter, add in some flour, sift off the flour from the pan. This is just going to prevent your batter from getting sticky. You can also use baking paper, parchment baking paper if you want, but I just wanted to just go ahead with the easiest way. I will introduce my batter into my baking pan, give it a tap on the kitchen cabinet, on the kitchen countertop, add in more chocolate chips, and voila, that's it, batter ready. I'll put this into my preheated oven and I'll bake on 140 degrees until my batter comes out cooked. For you to know if it's ready, just go ahead, sift a little stick inside your batter, and if it comes out wet, it's not ready. If it comes out dry, that's your banana bread ready and for you to eat. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. If it's your first time here, hey, you're welcome to Leader Isaac Recipes. Please do go ahead and give this video a big like if you find the recipe helpful. Drop a comment on the comment section and share this video to reach other people so they can also enjoy this delicious mouth-watering banana bread. So I went ahead and used the same recipe without the banana to make the other one you're seeing right here, the smaller one. It's the same exact recipe but without the 3 bananas. So that one is just the chocolate chips bread, and this one is the main banana bread right here. You can see how moist this banana bread came out. If you enjoy watching, please don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and I'll see you again with more interesting recipes. To have a beautiful day.